Hello everyone, once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by IMS. My name is Siddhant, and guys, since you are already a part of our community, and thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, but if you are there on our YouTube channel for the very first time, so guys, what you have to do, you have to subscribe to our channel. Okay. Now talking about this particular video, I have already taken up a session, a depth session about top 10 career options in the field of law, what you can explore for it. Okay, traditional options ke alawa also I have taken up some unconventional career options. But lot many students and few parents also have requested ki sir, you have mentioned that we can make up a career in this particular field. We much appreciate. But can you tell us more about that thing? So Get Set Law is starting off with a series on careers in law, and for the very first career is legal journalism. So again, taking those careers more which are unconventional paths, and let's talk about it. So how this particular session will look like and what is going to be there, what are the career opportunities. It is majorly for what students, is it for 11th 12th students, or is it for the ones who are in the graduation? Everything I've talked about in this video. So to know about it, you have to watch the video till the end. So don't run away from this video. Chaliye. So let's start with the video. So the first part which talks about this session is that we talk about that legal journalism. Journalism means kind of reporters or something like this. What exactly is this journalism is about, or it is related with legal journalism. So let's understand and break down into this particular chart. First they say it is the one which talks about reporting and analyzing legal issues. Now if someone who wants to be into the field of journalism like a mass comm or something, but they believe ki sir, law is something which attracts me more. So if I am already doing a particular course in law, can I get into this field? Definitely, because to understand those legal issues which is happening in this entire country and the world level, you are the best person having the background of the law can only explain it. So you can easily report and analyze it. That is what is the legal journalism is about. Next it talks about making legal matters understandable. Like we educators help to break down everything specifically in easy language to you people, but the complex cases which is happening in the entire world or the country, who will going to help us? It's the legal journalism. So they focuses on simplifying complex legal topics for the public. So ये एक legal journalism का एक और part होता है. Next they say they bridges a gap between law, society and the media. So they are not the media persons. Through blogs, through vlogs, or even through videos or through your YouTube channels, they definitely help us to bridge that thing ki what has happened in the past, what is happening. There's a lot many people say कि मुझे वक्फ बिल नहीं समझ आता. So if someone who is having a particular understanding of it and they want to talk about it and has been doing it professionally, they can definitely opt for this particular thing. ये तो मैंने एक बहुत ही basic सा example दिया था, but it can definitely help us. So a student who thinks कि sir, there is only an option like if I go to litigation or go for judiciary, are there any other options? Yes, legal journalism is one of it. चलिए, let's go to the next part. कि sir, if I aim for it, what would be the roles and responsibility me as a legal journalist? So it says you cover court proceedings and high profile cases. So you have been exposed to multiple celebrity type people. It's not only about the Bollywood people, but also the high end, high net worth businessmen, maybe like Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, or some another person also. Okay? So that is, you cover the entire court proceedings, and also it helps you to remain in link with what is happening in the real world. Okay? Now this everything comes with interest. Ki, sir, yes, I want to talk about it. I want to be into the legal field. Can this be a part? Definitely. You analyze the judgment, legal documents and laws, interview lawyers, judges and experts. So if I want to, and if I have to interview a judge, then I have to have a very strong knowledge of law. This can only become when I am doing this particular stream. Okay. Then it also talk about writing articles, reports, or produce TV online content. Now by talking about all these things, it comes ki sir, will AI is going to take up this part? No, it will not going to take up. Rather than you're going to make use of the AI tools and can only be able to write articles, because it's about the view and what has been talked about in that particular interview. It's not the summary, it's about your view, how you interpret it and how you tell it to the people. That is what your role and responsibility could be there. If this excites you, then this particular field is about you. But you would say ki sir, okay, this excites me and I want to get into the field. What is the next steps to go for it, which is over here, the education path. But before that, I'll say why you have to choose a legal journalism part. So it says it's a skilled storyteller. So if you think he said this is a skill of I am having this particular storytelling skill and I want to be into the field, so it excels in narrative but lacks legal depth, so that's why I have to get into this field and get inside about it. Then they say expert legal journalist could have been there, because if you want to be a legal journalist, that so somewhere people say ना कि मुझे science के बारे में बात नहीं करना, I want to be into the field of journalism and I have done law. Can it be the option? Yes, it can be the option. Then they say combine deep legal insights with the masterful storytelling. Then they say, can I be a legal analyst? Yes, this is also in another part where there is person who is very strong in law but weak in communication. That means you are not outspoken, you can't be part of this, you can't be part of this, but you can be a legal analyst, you can write articles and tell about it. Or it could be a novice reporter, where new to both law and journalism, where a particular person, so if any of the category you fall apart, कि मैं यहाँ पे I am a good storyteller, I can be part of it, but I am not very good in communication, but I am not in good in both, I am very new, so you can be a novice reporter itself. So that is what is the different areas why you can go for choosing a legal journalism. But you say ki sir, I want to choose it, but how to go for it, I am not pretty much sure about it. Let's understand. So it says that after 12th, if any student, so maybe this video must have been watched by the parents if their kids are there in 11th standard or 12th standard and they want to make the career into this particular legal journalism, can they do? Yes, doing it by doing a 5-year integrated LLB program, which is a BA LLB or a BBA LLB. So by clearing an entrance exam like CLAT, LH, SLAT, Maharashtra CT, CUET, UG, these are the entrance exam which you go for it, or NMIMS SLAT or Christ University law entrance test. These are the exams which a student after clearing 12th go for it, give a 5-year LLB and then make an entry by doing some journalism degree along with the optional law courses. So if someone who are in 12th and want to make an entry, that is where you can go for it, either by 5-year LLB, or if not, then you can do some diploma or something like this, but highly recommended 5-year LLB karoge, you're gonna have a depth knowledge about it. But you say ki sir, right now I'm in graduation and I'm not able to go for it, can I make an entry? Yes, you can go for 3-year LLB, any background can definitely go for, and then further do an specialization in media law, cyber law, the legal reporting. These can also be done by the people who are doing 5-year LLB. So sir, if I want to do 5-year LLB and 3-year LLB, is there anyone who's supporting that or providing? Yes, you are at the right place. Get Set Law by IMS is running their batches for CLAT 27, CLAT 26 for 3-year LLB. There are multiple batches which are going on online, offline. But sir, these details are where? The details are provided in the description box. There is a link. Get in touch on one-on-one counseling, और even यहाँ पे आपको एक टिकर भी दिख रहा होगा जहाँ पे आप जाके you can check it up for our zero fee program. Go, all the links are provided. All the parents are watching. जाइए and just explore it. I'm not talking about that people are going to call you or something. Just go and check that page. At least you will come to know about it. Okay, these are the things which are available, and those counselors, education advisor will help you with that. Okay. Next, they say what are the key skills required. So I'll take it in a different way, that if a person have any of these skills and you want to park your own future into a career path, then it could be like you say, I'm very good in writing and communication skills, or I have an analytical research skill, ethical reporting, or simplification of legal concepts. If any of these mix match of 2 or more skill you have, then legal journalism becomes a very smooth and a career option for you people. That means a person clears up law, then get into the field of this reporting and everything, and that is, they are the ones who come with the authentic information. So at the end, I'm gonna tell the most significant and the important factual information कि sir, चलो, I know कि आपने बोला legal career बना लो, journalism में go for it. What are these packages which we can be offered? So first is, if you are an entry level legal journalist, it's not only for journalism, it's even for the lawyers also, जो बहुत ही एकदम ही initial stage पे होते हैं, that they are not been exposed to much of internship or something, then they end up getting 3 to 6 lakh per annum ka package. So this is for the journalist part. But let's say that you have gained an experience of maybe like 3 to 5 years. What can be the package? It could reach by 8 to 15 lakhs per annum. Now besides this, you have been given exposure to multiple high-end celebrity based parties where you meet people, make your connects, and then as a freelancer you can definitely start earning parallelly along with the income which you are getting it up. So that is where you have an exposure to get into multiple fields, so don't worry about it. Okay, there was one of my friend who has done LLB from Mumbai University only, was getting into this IPO segments and making drafting of the documents, all these things, but at the end today she is working with one of the producer of, which is a very known producer, I'm going to take up the name, the producer of this entire Bollywood industry, uske organization mein she is working as a legal journalist over there. So this is what the opportunity comes about, and this is a real data. Okay, but if someone says I want to go to abroad and explore that thing, so definitely legal journalists in international media also, like BBC, Reuters, AI, Al Jazeera, 40,000 से 80,000 per year, that is per year dollars mein you can definitely going to make an earning, and as a freelancer then the sky is the limit, you can go for it. So these are the career paths, or the at the end of the day the package and the opportunity which you can grab it through legal journalism. And if you have taken up your video, your watching time till the end of the video, so I personally thank you so much for watching the video till the end. And don't forget that if you are there on our YouTube channel for the very first time, subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. And bye bye, take care. सिद्धांत सर signing off. वापस से फिर मिलेंगे.